geobyte.
Dear students, now let us decide the loss in kinetic energy in case of perfectly inelastic collision. When collision is happening by the time the two bodies are moving in opposite direction. Okay. For that, look at the arrangement of the two bodies. This is the body 1 of mass m1 is traveling in this particular direction with a velocity u1. Second body 2 of mass m2 is traveling opposite to the m1 with a velocity u2. Both are colliding. After colliding, assume the combined system is moving in the same direction of m1 with a velocity v combined. Here m1 plus m2 is the combined mass. So let me write it clearly. This is after collision. After collision. This is before collision. Before collision. For the previous case, collision is happening by the time both bodies are moving in the same direction. But in this case, the collision is happening right in the perfect elastic, inelastic manner while both are moving in opposite direction. Okay. So for this case, let us write the law of conservation of momentum from law of conservation of conservation of momentum, that is m1 u1, where the momentum is acting in this direction, minus m2 u2 is in this direction, both are opposite. That means the momentum convention I am taking from left to right, from left to right, from left to right, the sign convention for momentum is taken positive. Okay, it must be equal to combined mass is m1 plus m2 multiplied by v combined. From this combined velocity is equal to m1 u1 minus m2 u2 dividing by m1 plus m2. Okay, here we need to discuss two important points. Remember, if m1 u1 is more than m2 u2, if m1 u1 is more than m2 u2, combined velocity is positive. It means the the combined system is moving in the direction of m1, in the direction of m1. Next, if m1 u1 is less than m2 u2, if m1 u1 is less than m2 u2, the numerator value negative, right? For the first case, if m1 u1 is more than m2 u2, numerator value positive, then the combined system is moving in the direction of m1. If m1 u1 is less than m2 u2, the numerator value negative, the combined system is moving in the opposite direction of m1. The combined system is moving in the direction, in the opposite direction of m1, in the opposite direction of opposite direction of m1. Opposite direction of m1. I hope all of you clearly understood. Understood or not? Yes. Then let us decide the loss in kinetic energy. Loss in kinetic energy delta K equal to half m1 u1 square plus half m2 u2 square minus half into m1 plus m2 into v combined whole square. But what is the v combined? Here v combined equal to m1 u1 minus m2 u2 by m1 plus m2. You substitute the v combined value for for getting loss in kinetic energy So loss in kinetic energy after substituting the v combined, it is half into m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into u1 plus u2 whole square. When both bodies are moving in the same direction, it is u1 minus u2 whole square. When both bodies are colliding while they are traveling in opposite direction, loss in kinetic energy half m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into u1 plus u2 whole square. Understood clearly? You substitute here and simplify it for getting this value. Okay? Yes.
Geobyte.